Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Exodus wallet account on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into your Exodus wallet account, first make sure you've downloaded the Exodus wallet application on your Android device. Tap open your application after it is done with the downloading. The first interface of Exodus wallet will look like this. If you'd like to get started by signing up with Exodus since you don't have a wallet, tap on Get Started. But if you already have a wallet, you can tap on I already have a wallet at the bottom of the screen in order to log in. Now, you can either scan a code from Exodus on another device. You'll need to scan the QR code that you previously saved as a backup, or you can also go to the next option where it says Type Secret Phrase. You'll need to type in your 12-word secret backup phrase in order to log into your account. You can choose any one of these options. Let me go ahead and tap on the Type Secret Phrase option. Now you'll need to type in the phrase in order to restore your existing wallet and log into your account. So type in your phrases one by one without leaving any words behind, and make sure to put them in the correct order. After you're done typing in all of your secret phrases, tap on Restore at the bottom. In the pop-up, select Continue and Restart. After a few seconds, you'll be logged into your Exodus wallet account on your Android device. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.